Assalamualaikum everyone. How are you all? Hope so you are all happy today and be happy forever. So today I want to share the benefit of recitation of Surah Ash-Shura and the other name of Surah Ash-Shura. So the other name of Surah Ash-Shura is Surah Inshra. Other name of Surah Ash-Shura is Surah Inshra. The meaning of Inshra is delightful, cheerful, happiness. And the opening of heart, the expansion of heart, you know very well that Prophet Muhammad was very worried due to the people of Quraysh. They were not behaving him very well and they were creating a lot of difficulties in his way when he was preaching for Islam and he was feeling burdened. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed this surah upon Prophet Muhammad. After the revelation of this surah, he was feeling relaxed, comfort, and his burden was released. So you all have to start this surah whenever you feel worried. And the other name of this surah is Surah Alam Nashra, signifying the sense of release from burden, from worries, the opening up of heart, the expansion of heart. You know very well that Prophet Muhammad was very worried during the period of Quraysh. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala opened his heart and release his burden, release his all tension, reduce his all hardship which he was facing. So whenever you are worried, so you will have to cite Surah Alam Nashra. Whenever you feel burden, whenever you feel tense, so you will have to cite Surah Alam Nashra, Surah Inshra, Surah Ashara. So the benefit of recitation of Surah Ashara is whenever someone will recite Surah Ashara, it's just like similar he or she has met to Prophet Muhammad. So you all have to recite Surah Ashara. Whenever someone will recite Surah Ashara, Surah Inshra, it's just like similar that he or she has met to Prophet Muhammad. So you all have to recite Surah Ashara again and again. And the other benefit of recitation of Surah Ashara is when someone recites Surah Ashara in this verse, so on the day of judgment, his all body part will speak in his favor in front of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that this person used to recite, and this man and woman used to recite Surah Ashara in the world. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will forgive that person. So you all have to recite Surah Ashara again and again. And the other benefit, if you are feeling sad, if you are feeling sad and due to sadness you are feeling burdened, so you all have to cite Surah Ashara. And other benefit I want to tell you, this surah teaches we have to trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we have to be patient, we have to be calm, we have to be comfort. We know very well that after every hardship there will be ease. Fa inna mal usri usra, inna mal usri usra. Indeed, after every hardship there will be ease. So you all have to cite and have to trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This surah teaches us that we all have to believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He is the only one who will comfort us. He is the only one. We all have to trust in Him. So we all have to cite Surah Anshra, Surah Insra, Surah Alam Nashra, Surah Ashara again and again if you want to relax, if you want to feel comfort. And the other benefit is this, if you want to get good health, if you want to increase your wealth, so you all have to recite Surah Inshra. And if you want to get good health, so you all have to recite Surah Inshra. In this way, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will provide good health. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will increase your health. So these are some benefits which I shared today. So you all have to recite Surah Inshra again and again, Surah Ashara again and again if you want to relax, if you want to comfort, if you want to be happy in your life, if you want to feel relaxed in your life. So you all have to recite Surah Inshra. You know very well that Prophet was worried due to the behavior of Quraysh people. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed this surah upon Prophet Muhammad and he recited this surah. After this surah, he feel relaxed, he feel calm, he was more calmer, he feel comforted, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala released this surah upon Prophet Muhammad just to feel him calm, just to feel him relaxed. So you all have to recite this surah again and again if you are facing different type of difficulties in your life. So I hope you are reciting this time now. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.